Hello, today we will guide you through how to reset Axiom Trade Chart. If your Axiom Trade Chart layout has been changed and you want to bring it back to its default view, this process is quick and simple. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to click so you can reset the chart settings without confusion. To begin, open Axiom Trade and go to the Perpetuals page. This is the section where the trading chart is displayed, and it's where you'll be able to access the chart settings. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to locate the chart area so you can follow along more easily with the next steps. At the top right corner of the chart, click on the Settings option. This opens the Chart Settings panel, where display and layout preferences can be adjusted. If you've previously customized the chart and now want to undo those changes, this is the menu you'll need. After the Settings panel opens, look toward the lower left area for the Template drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that Template drop-down. This section controls the Save Chart template or layout currently being used. Opening it gives you access to the available template actions, including the option to restore the standard setup. From there, click on As Default. Selecting this option resets the chart template back to the default configuration. This is helpful if indicators, visual settings, or layout changes have made the chart harder to use and you want to return to the original appearance. Be sure to select the correct option before moving on, since this action is what applies the reset. Once that's done, click OK to confirm the change. This final confirmation saves the reset and applies the default chart settings. After you click OK, the chart should reflect the default template, giving you a clean and familiar view again. If the chart does not appear to update immediately, give it a moment to refresh visually. In most cases, the reset takes effect right away. It can also help to double-check that you selected the template menu and chose as default before confirming. That's all it takes to reset the Axiom Trade Chart. As a quick recap, you go to the Perpetuals page, open the chart settings, use the template drop-down, choose As Default, and then click OK to finish. Following these steps will restore the chart to its default setup and help you start fresh with a cleaner view.